welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve largest number form from an array. In this question we are given an array of length n, okay, with elements, and we need to form a maximum number, a largest number which can be formed by rearranging the position of array elements. And at the end we have to return the output in a string format and not as an array integers. Cool. So see in example once the array elements are 3, 30, 34, 5 and 9, out of which 9 is largest, 5 is second largest, then 34, then 3 and 30. Obviously 30 is larger than 3. But if you'll arrange 30 before 3, it will form you 303. But if you'll arrange 3 ahead of 30, it will form 330, which is more than 303, 303. In that case, you cannot simply just sort it and arrange it. You'll have to apply a different logic. Okay, see in example 2. You have 60, 548, 546, and 54. Here the logic is simple. The largest number will come first and then so on and so forth. But in example 1, there was a catch. You cannot simply arrange the array elements and form the result out of them. So how we will do it? See, there are a lot of ways to do it. There you can apply permutation to it in Python. Also, you can apply there's a compare to key method where you compare each elements, but that will become a cumbersome since if you're not aware of compare to key library method in beforehand. So, but I will try this question in a single line and in very effective way. You will be able to you'll get amazed what am I doing over here. Cool. So the first thing is there's something rings a bell. At example two, we simply sort it in reverse order and we got a solution. Example 1 also, we were able to get the solution except just last digits were not getting in correct order. Otherwise, it was at the solution step by just reversing the order in sorting in reverse order. So first of all, I will try to sort my array, but in a reverse direction. Sort my array in a reverse direction. So reverse will become true. Reverse will become true. Then, see, you may see many solutions or examples over the internet or YouTube where people are using compare to key, but we can simply make our compare to key. Or if you are aware about JavaScript, we can write simple polyfill for compare to key. That's not exactly what compare to key does, but it will be able to do a job. Okay, so I'll create a key function using lambda. Okay, and what we will do is I will multiply our number with any random arbitrary big number. Random arbitrary big number. Okay, so here I am multiplying. Let's say with any number. Let's say I'm multiplying with 13. 13 is a devil's number. You just multiply it by very big number. Okay, so what it does is, let's say there are two numbers in the array which are having same value, 30 and 30. If we'll multiply them with a big number, they will become much bigger, and at the end what they will do, they will also become same. I mean, if you multiply 30 by 13, since both the number were 30, they will get in result also same number. This will help us in forming the key which should come first and which should come later. Okay, so we sorted our array in reverse order using a key. Okay, and we took a very big number. Okay, and at the end we know one thing: if we have to return the array elements, list elements into a string, we use dot join method. We use dot join method. We use dot join method. Okay, so this will do is this will form take all the elements which are there after sorting in reverse order using a key method, and at the end it will what it will do is it will append them in a string format. And this number does not carry much significance. I mean, you cannot take a small value, you should take a big value, 13, 15, 16, 20s, anything. So I solved this question using two, three different values and it worked. Okay, so let me submit it and check the efficiency of our solution. Yeah, it does the job. It did the job pretty effortlessly. You may see It took very less time, and it took me a lot of attempts to reach the solution since I was very naive to apply the just the reverse order. But at the end, I'm able to understand. I hope you are able also able to understand and learn a new concept. Thank you. Have a very nice day.